Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10s and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, and one of this is the pro mode, so let's pick it. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here gives us access to this slider where we can change the exposure compensation of our picture, so we can manage the light of it. And at the center we have 0 parameter. By going to the right, we can make our photo more bright. By going to the left, we can make it more dark. At the center we have 0 parameter, so there's no problem to go back to auto exposure compensation. Now let's move here to this button at the center also with white balance, so we can now change the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. And by using this slider, by going to the left, we can make our photo more cold, more blue, as you can see. By going to the right, we can make it more warm, more orange. So this is kind of balance between the warm and cold tones of our picture. And of course, there's no problem to go back to auto white balance. We have to just tap on this manual button from the right, and now it goes to auto settings with that. And let's move to the last one option, the ISO. Here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and by using this slider we can make it less sensitive from 100 of ISO. By going to the right, more sensitive to 800. So I think the spectrum is really enough to this kind of camera. Of course, we can easily go back to auto ISO by tapping here on manual button from the right again, and now we are on auto settings. From here, let's go now to the right corner. When we tap here, we can pick the metering, center weighted, spot, and also the matrix. So for example, let's stay on the spot, and now let me use these settings to take a picture. Let's start with ISO and pick 400. The white balance maybe a little bit colder, more blue, and a little bit brighter with exposure compensation. To see my photo, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like. I suggest you to making experiments with all these settings and just have a good fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.